Welcome to Checking In at SEA. My name is Perry Cooper. We're out in one of the fun parts of the airfield. Sean McCormick, our general foreman lead here with our field crew. Number one, where are we? We've got some cool equipment out here.
We are at the snow shed, and this is where we keep all of our snow equipment.
And this is whereabouts in the airfield?
We are at the southwest corner.
And just to be specific as well, too, for folks who don't realize, there's a difference between what we do as the port and the airport, SEA. What is it that we manage versus what the airlines are managing during a snow situation?
We manage the pavement, the runways, the taxiways, the taxi lanes, the ramp areas around the satellites, all of that stuff. We do not de-ice airplanes, ever. So that's something that we don't do. We also take care of a large portion of the roadways in and out and around the airport. We take care of the parking garage. Yeah, there's a lot of areas that we take care of.
When we talk about snow crews and the amount of equipment you have, you've got some more than 40, 45 pieces of equipment. How do those all come together to help clear runways and taxiways?
Well, first of all, it depends on conditions. When we're seeing, forecasts for less than 2 inches of snow, we're talking, a dozen pieces on the runway, 6 or 7 maybe on the ramp, just depending on conditions. When we see forecasts of 2 inches or more, we are going to run 12, 14 pieces of equipment on the runway and 8, 10 on the ramps. We've got plows, brooms, we have high-speed snow blowers and dedicated brooms. At times we'll use a dedicated plow also. Most of the time what you're going to see are these combination units that plow and broom. So we've just taken delivery of 7 brand new multi-function pieces of equipment. They are called Overossen, and they are a fixed chassis dual purpose machine. They plow and they sweep, and they do it on a smaller chassis than our other MB combo units. These machines are primarily going to help us in and around the ramp areas. There's a lot of areas that we take care of.
This is the crews that you are really going to be appreciative of when we get to a situation where we've got a storm, things that are going on, that stuff that's going on in the background, and you guys do a great job. We really appreciate it and want people to realize that too.
Thank you, Perry. We do our best.
You do a great job. So that's Checking In at SEA. We'll have some more information about other things that are going on as we continue to prep for the winter. Keep our fingers crossed. It'll be an easy one.
I agree.
Always will be. Right?
Yeah, it's always easy.
We got to figure it out. Thanks for joining us. Take care.